Hey there, little stars. Welcome to Fun Time World.
Today, we're going to learn our ABCs with yummy fruits. Each letter of the alphabet will have a tasty fruit to help us remember the sound it makes. Let's dive in. Letter A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Letter B is for banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Letter C is for cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Letter D for dewberry. D-E-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Dewberry. Letter E for eggplant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. Letter F for fig. F-I-G. Fig. Letter G for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Letter H for honeydew. H-O-N-E-Y-D-E-W. Honeydew. Letter I for Italian plum. I-T-A-L-I-A-N. P-L-U-M. Italian plum. Letter J for jackfruit. J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T. Jackfruit. Letter K for kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Letter L for lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Letter M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Letter N for nectarine. N-E-C-T-A-R-I-N-E. Nectarine. Letter O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Letter P for pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. Letter Q for quince. Q-U-I-N-C-E. Quince. Letter R for rambutan. R-A-M-B-U-T-A-N. Rambutan. Letter S for strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Letter T for tamarind. T-A-M-A-R-I-N-D. Tamarind. Letter U for ugly fruit. U-G-L-I-F-R-U-I-T. Ugly fruit. Trivia time. The ugly fruit looks a bit wrinkly and rough. It's called ugly because of its unusual appearance. But don't judge a fruit by its skin. It's packed with vitamin C, perfect for keeping you healthy and strong. It comes from Jamaica and is a mix of an orange, a grapefruit, and a tangerine. Next time you're on an adventure, keep an eye out for the extraordinary ugly fruit. And now, let's continue our fruity adventure with the letter V. Letter V for vanilla bean. V-A-N-I-L-L-A. Vanilla bean. Letter X for Semenia caffra. X-I-M-E-N-I-A. C-A-F-F-R-A. Semenia caffra. Letter Y for yang mei. Y-A-N-G-M-E-I. Young May. Letter Z for zucchini. Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I. Zucchini. Wow, what a journey we've had today. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching until the very end. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for our next exciting adventure. Goodbye for now, and see you again soon, my little stars.